So today we're down in South London. Quite a lot of our work is not just building maintenance, but we also do a lot of dilapidations for the tenant and the landlord. Today we're here looking at some of the work we need to get done to give that building back. Now we're inside the building. You can see that there's been quite a lot of damage that we're going to have to put right before the landlord's going to take this building back. All this rubbish is going to have to be cleared, walls repainted, make sure there's no broken glass or anything, and just get it back to an acceptable standard again. It's quite arty what they've been actually doing. The decorating part is major. There's quite a few 100 square metres that need repainting around here. It's a lot of work to be done, but at the end of the day, someone's got to do it. By the time the walls are painted, the rubbish is gone, it's all cleaned up, it's safe, it's secure, then the landlord will be happy and the outgoing tenant can surrender the lease. Someone's got to do it, might as well be us.